Good morning, ma'am. Today, we will be reporting about the different qualifications in different countries' police force. So, I will start with the Philippines. So, unang pong qualification ay kailangan po ay isa siyang lehitimong citizen ng ating bansa. Pangalawa po, dapat po siya ay mayroong good moral character at must have passed the psychiatric, psychological, drug, and physical tests to be administered by the PNP. So, pag nag-apply ka po, may mga test po na ibibigay sa inyo, katulad po dito ng psychiatric test para ma-measure po yung mental capabilities po ninyo para maging isang public servant. And as well as po sa physical test kung saan po magkakandak po sila ng iba't ibang mga activities para ma-determine po yung resistance po ng yung agility, kung saan po para po ma-execute niya ng tama yung duty niya if ever man po na matatanggap siya, kaya po nagkakandak po ng mga ganung test. Sumunod naman po ay ang must possess a formal baccalaureate degree from a recognized learning institution. Kailangan po dito yung may degree ka po na natapos, katulad po ng BS Criminology and other degree po na kailangan ma-possess mo. And second is must be eligible PNP entrance or NAPOLCOM, RA number 1080, bar and board examinations, PD number 907, CS eligibility to college undergraduate, and the RA 6506 or the criminologist.
Must have been dishonorably charged from military employment or dismissed for cause from any civilian position in the government. Sinasabi po dito na kailangan po is hindi ka na dismiss sa serbisyo while serving yung siniserve mo po yung service, or naging private ka ng mga government for their security. Yun po, hindi ka na magiging eligible na maka-apply sa qualification ng police force. Second is must not have been convicted by final judgment of an offense of crime involving moral turpitude. Sinasabi po dito na yung halimbawa po dito is nakakomit ka ng illegal use of drugs, RA 9165 of 2002. Next is height for men at least 5 feet and 2 inches, and for women is 5 flat. Must weight not more or less than 5 kilograms from the standard weight. And last is must not be less than 21 or more than 30 years of age. Yun po yung mga qualification ng police force in the Philippines.
Ito pala ang tawag sa Police Term of Malaysia, Police Dihara Malaysia, at under sa agency ng Malaysia, Royal Malaysia Police at Police Dihara Malaysia.
The other qualification of Malaysia is lowest entry level, Malaysia citizen, Malaysia certificate, provisionary inspector, diploma or high school, education certificate, highest entry level, and bachelor degree Malaysia. And attain the Sigil Pilarahan Malaysia or SPM or minimum, complete a maximum of 3 months of police training, graduate from the police academy and complete field duty, and applicant must undergo an interview before representative of the employing agency and the RMP, and the age requirement is 18 to 45 years old, and the male candidate must weigh at least 50 kg, at least 162 cm tall, at sa babae naman po is 45 kg and 152 cm tall.
Qualification of Hong Kong. Height for men at least 163 cm and weigh 50 kg. Yung qualification daw ng sa Hong Kong, kailangan yung lalaki is umaabot ng 163 cm yung tangkad niya, yung height niya, tsaka yung timbang at least 50 kilograms. For women, at least 152 cm and weigh 42 kg. Yung sa babae naman po is, kailangan yung height niya is 152 cm, tsaka ang timbang niya naman is kailangan umabot ng 42 kilograms. Must have good eyesight. Kailangan po dito yung malinaw yung paningin mo. Required to pass an initial eyesight test without the aid of any eyesight correction tools. So kailangan mo din pumasa sa eyesight test. Tapos kailangan din sa qualification nila is higher diploma. Kumbaga may pinag-aralan ka tapos associate degree.
Another qualification in Hong Kong, the nationality. It must be permanent resident of Hong Kong Special Administrative Region. Language, proficiency requirements, and last, the physique. Of good physique, attending a physical fitness test is a prerequisite. Then, ang term po nila sa police ng Hong Kong is Hong Kong Police Force or HKPF. And under po sila ng the Security Bureau of Hong Kong Agency.
The term police for Thailand was Samnak Ngan Tamrot Hainchak, or in English, Royal Thai Police. Under what agency of Thailand Police? The Thailand Police was under the agency of Ministry of Interior of Thailand. It was called Thailand National Police Department or TNPD.
This is the qualifications in applying in Royal Thai Police. Number 1, physically and mentally fit. 2, at least high school graduate. 3, bachelor's degree. 4, have a good eyesight. 5, fluent in Thai language. 6, not been convicted of any crime. And last, 16 to 21 years of age.
Term for police in Chile is Carabineros de Chile. Yung tawag po sa police force ng Chile ay Carabineros de Chile. Under what agency is the police of Chile? Agencia Nacional de Inteligencia. Ang tawag po sa agency ng police force ng Chile ay Agencia Nacional de Inteligencia.
Qualification of police in Chile. First, have a complete secondary school. Kailangan daw is naka-graduate ng elementary o secondary. Number 2 is pass exacting physical examination. Ito daw is kailangan is physically fit ka at matatapos mo yung mga physical examination nila. Mapapasa mo. Examination and psychological test, ito naman is maayos ang iyong mga pag-iisip.